this segment, we're going to show how to mount a print onto a substrate using a Royal Sovereign RSC 820 CLS laminator. First, we'll need a piece of material to mount to. This is a piece of foam board, and then we'll need a print the size of the foam board. So we're going to have our print the size of the board, like so. We're going to take our print and we're going to separate the release liner from the vinyl. It's always better to take the release liner from the vinyl, not the vinyl from the release liner. We'll pull this back about an inch, and we're going to make ourselves a hinge. From here, we flip our print over, and that hinge will keep our print from sticking to the board while we line it up. Once we're lined up, we're going to take a squeegee, tack down the center, and bring our material back and forth here to stick it on as a hinge. First, we need to open up the gap of the laminator to the thickness of the board that we're going to be mounting. Our next step is to put the print into the nip of the laminator. We're going to hit the run button and then stop it just so it goes into the nip. From here, we're going to flip our print up and put our foot on the foot switch. We're going to grab the tongue of the release liner, press the foot switch, and let our print go through the laminator.